I can't think of any reason why anyone should not be holding the HSBC Revolution Credit Card. It's a great no minimum spending credit card with no annual membership fee. You have the choice of either earning 4 miles per dollar if not 2.5% cashback. And let me share with you a little bit more about this card, answer the questions that you have submitted on the form that I've created, and also go through my e-statements to what qualifies and what do not. Let's get straight into this video and you can decide after this whether should you be having the HSBC Revolution Credit Card. Let's go. HSBC doesn't always run sign-up promotions with MoneySmart and SingSaver. This time round, they're doing a promotion where you can sign up for the HSBC Revolution Credit Card and get 3 sign-up gift options. One is the ErgoTune chair, another is a Sony earbuds and $100 in cash, and the third option is just $300 in cash. So hopefully after today's video, you will maybe apply for this card because I honestly think it's good for everyone. If you're a person who holds a $600 minimum spending credit card, fulfilling that every single month, you can still hold the HSBC Revolution Credit Card because there's no annual membership fee, and any amount above the $600, if you continue charging to the credit card that you are spending on, your cashback value will drop, which is why I would recommend spending anything above the $600 amount on HSBC Revolution Credit Card that gives you 2.5% cashback. If not, you can change the points into 4 miles per dollar as well. HSBC is a very versatile card. It gives you the options to either earn cashback if not miles. It doesn't mean that when you choose the cashback program, you have to stick to it, which is one of the questions that you guys have asked when I post on the YouTube community page. So with that, some of the questions have been categorized here and I just want to answer 4 of them today. The answer is no. All you have to do is to just spend on the HSBC Revolution Credit Card in the eligible categories, which I will show you here in this table. Whenever you spend and it's qualified in these categories, you will be able to earn the 10x reward points. It doesn't mean that it has to be online or contactless payments like how the UOB Evol card markets itself. HSBC Revolution Credit Card doesn't work that way, so I hope that answers your question. And the second question is, am I able to choose to have both cashback and miles? If so, is it advisable? As I mentioned earlier, yes, you can choose to either do cashback or miles, but with the miles redemption program, you have an annual membership that you have to pay. So the annual mileage program costs $40 subjected to GST. If not, you can redeem 9,000 reward points to pay for that mileage program. Once you choose to opt into this mileage program, if you do not want to continue on next year, you have to cancel it 1 month prior. If you ask me whether is it advisable to do that, I personally think it's not. For me personally, I choose the cashback because I don't see as much value for first class experience and business class experience as of today. When I mention as of today, meaning in the future, I could probably change to accumulating for miles, but as of right now, my stance is still using cards for cashback. For those of you who chase after miles, I would think chasing after miles is a long-term game where you have to keep accumulating your reward points, converting it to miles, and then with a lump sum bulk redemption, can you then experience things like a business class flight. I would personally think that maybe in the future I would change the perception that I have and accumulate miles in order to travel more luxuriously, but as of right now, I'm still in the cashback game. So I hope that answers your question. The third question is how to actually pay off the credit card bill. I will show you in a screen recording over here how I usually pay off mine. It would be easier if you hold the Everyday Global account, a HSBC savings account that lets you pay off your credit card bills, and that would be very much easier. If not, there's also the option of paying using another bank, which will take a few days to recognize the transfer, and also AXS credit card bill payment. That is relatively easy. If you have any problems with that, let me know, DM me on Instagram, I'll help you through that as well. For those of you who ask how to redeem the cashback is relatively easy to redeem. I have 2 videos done up on the HSBC Revolution Credit Card Guide on showing how I redeem the reward points for cashback. You can refer to that video and it will show you how the redemption is being done. For mileage program, what you need to do is to actually sign up for it first and then take a few working days for them to approve. Then you can transfer your reward points into the programs that HSBC is working with, which is what you can convert your reward points into. I hope the relevant links down in the description box below will help you. If you have any questions, you can always call HSBC hotline and I'm sure they will help you through that as well. The fourth question that one of you have asked is what is in the Entertainer app? Entertainer works the same way as Burple. It's a membership that you can actually join if you do not have the HSBC Revolution Credit Card, and with whatever merchants that is on their platform, you can either get a discount of, let's say, maybe 50% off your total bill at a certain cafe or a restaurant. If not, 1-for-1 deals, 1-for-1 mains, something like that. Let me just show you how the Entertainer app looks like. Because I live in the north area, whatever that's surrounding me will come up first. I have things like Kif Cafe at Thomson Plaza, which would give me 25% off the total bill. With the Entertainer app, you can use this app to go to different restaurants and get certain discounts that you can enjoy. With no annual membership fee, you are technically not paying anything for this credit card. So 2.5% cashback, if not 4 miles per dollar, is what you'll be able to get using the HSBC Revolution Credit Card, and also a free Entertainer app, which will allow you to enjoy 1-for-1 food deals when you go to different places. And they also have things like beauty, wellness, attractions, and leisure as well. Now let's go into the e-statements and I'll share with you a little bit more about what qualifies and what does not. So let's go to a screen over here. I'll show you my e-statements for last month. This is basically how HSBC's e-statement will look like. This is my December to January e-statement, and I'll be paying off this bill in February. That is the due date. The question earlier on whether online or PayWave transaction actually matter. It doesn't matter whether you are paying using the physical card. If not at a restaurant using your mobile phone for a PayWave transaction, it does not matter at all. The first one, as you can see over here, Wisma Cold Grill and Sushi Bar, it was $57, and this was a PayWave transaction that I've used my mobile phone for. Comfort City and Taxi, that is an online transaction using a mobile app to pay for, that is online. Sushi Tei Jewel, that is also a PayWave transaction. With the previous e-statement to this, I've actually charged the Airbnb to this credit card, and there's a dynamic currency conversion fee of 1% by paying using the HSBC Revolution Credit Card. Whenever you charge a foreign transaction amount into the HSBC Revolution Credit Card or any other credit card at all, you'll be subjected to the dynamic currency conversion fee, which is why I usually recommend using cards like UTrip and also Trust Bank, which you do not incur any fee for paying for it. Some of you might ask, why do I still pay using the HSBC Revolution Credit Card? It brings me to the point that they give you 2.5% cashback in the form of reward points, and also HSBC Everyday Global account was running a promotion. They'll give you 1% cashback on whatever transactions that you post to your credit card. As of right now, they are still running that promotion. Whenever you charge an amount, as long as it charges to this credit card, you'll be getting 1% back. 1% there and 1% here, technically it offsets, and I'll still be earning 2.5% cashback on whatever that I charge on this card. So that is how I determine whether should I use a no foreign transaction fee credit card like Trust Bank. If not, UTrip, it will give you great multi-currency rates as well. But with Airbnb and Agoda, I've been using the HSBC Revolution Credit Card because of this 1% program that they have. So HSBC Everyday Global account is still running a promotion that you can sign up with. Relevant links to that will be down in the description box. They give you 1% cashback on whatever that you charge to your credit card, and also 1% on your gyro bill payments, which would mean that you can actually pay for your insurance premium and still earn 1% on that. Airbnb transactions, I've charged it over here, and that is all that I have for this month actually. Whatever that falls within the table that you see for eligible transactions that you can make with the HSBC Revolution Credit Card is what you can earn cashback and points for to convert on HSBC app to either get cashback or miles, and that is what you can redeem your reward points for. And it's not very difficult to understand for using the HSBC Revolution Credit Card. So in summary, I think this credit card is honestly very applicable for any one of you out there. As long as you'll be able to apply for a credit card, I think this is one that you should hold. It applies to a lot of our day-to-day expenditures, things like dining, supermarket, food delivery, travel-related transactions, and also transportation. Even though HSBC Revolution Credit Card doesn't allow you to earn points for bus and MRT rides, you can opt to go for the Standard Chartered Smart Credit Card that gives you 6% cashback for your public transportation and also digital subscriptions, that kind of thing. I've covered that in the combination of credit cards for no minimum spending, and I think I found the best combinations. Watch that video over there and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram. That's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.